This initiative represents a significant investment in the youth, health, and overall development of our community. By providing world-class facilities, we are not only nurturing athletic excellence but also promoting discipline, teamwork, and a culture of wellness among our constituents. The creation of a comprehensive sports complex will serve as a hub for training, competitions, and community engagement. It will open greater opportunities for our local athletes to excel and compete at higher levels, while also positioning Dagupan City as a premier destination for regional and national sporting events. More importantly, this project reflects our commitment to forward-thinking governance, building infrastructure that meets present needs while preparing for future demands. It is a legacy project that will benefit generations to come. Together, let us champion a stronger, healthier, and more dynamic Dagupan City. Thank you.
Thank you. Napakaganda ng imunungkahi ni Councilor Chito, and in addition to that, hindi lang po sapat ngayon na tayo ay gumawa ng sports facility. Pero ang kagandahan po, ang ginagawa na po natin dito sa syudad ng Dagupan, bukod sa gumawa ng mga new facilities for new sports wala po dito, ay minomodernize po natin ang mga current sports facilities. Alam naman po natin, hindi lang po sa syudad ng Dagupan, sa buong Pilipinas at buong mundo, masyadong naging competitive ang sports, not just because of facility, because of the introduction of sports science. At itong sports science, hindi lang po sapat na meron tayong facility para dun sa specific sports na yun. Kailangan din ng fitness facility like fitness and wellness facility para yung kumbaga sa sports, kumbaga meron tayong swimming pool para doon sa swimmers, hindi lang po sapat yung training for swimming pool, kailangan din nila ng gymnasium to develop muscles for that, not just to maximize the potential of the muscles for that sport, but for prevention of injury. So hindi lang po sir, sa lahat ng sports ganyan din po. In fact, most of the universities in Manila, ganito po yung sports facilities nila. Hindi lang po para sa sports, pero may mga ibang sports science training pa po. So with this, Mr. Chair, napakaganda ng mungkayat, and I would like to thank Councilor Mike for including me as co-author. Mr. Chair, maraming salamat. Thank you. The Chair.
Ang relevance po ng resolusyon na ito, kung atin pong pag-aaralan, ang training po ng ating mga atleta ay nasa iba't ibang lugar po ng lungsod. Ang swimming po natin dito po sa swimming pool area natin dito. Ang ating gymnastic tsaka basketball nandun po sa Dagupan City People sa Astrodome. Ang boxing po natin nasa 3rd floor ng Malimgas Market. Ang track and field natin, the last that I was informed, nandito ho sa Bunan Bukig Elementary School yung oval natin. So makikita ho natin, example lang ho yun, watak-watak ho yung pagte-train ho natin ng ating mga kabataan. And because this is one of the best investments Dagupan City could make, and that is investing to the health and wellness and sports development for our younger generation, Mr. Chair. We ask for unanimous support for this resolution.